For now, let's center our bodies and get in a comfortable place to calm our thoughts. Thoughts are things. When we are preparing to quiet our minds, we want to focus on one thing: our breath. By watching your breath going in and out, you stop the mind's noisy thoughts. Just like Bluebird calmed the blackbird squawking, your breath calms your thoughts. Closing your eyes, sitting up straight with your back strong, take a nice deep breath in. And slowly out. Slowly breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel your breath moving down through your body and slowly returning out your mouth. Pay attention to your breath. Feel your breath come in, filling your chest and stomach. Now feel your body relax as you breathe out. Closing your eyes. By watching your breath going in and out, you stop the mind's noisy thoughts. Notice while you were focused on your breath, your mind was quiet of thoughts. This is a good lesson to learn how the power of thoughts works for you. Before we leave, take a deep breath in and take your arms up over your head and stretch your body as you release your breath. Good for you. And remember, thoughts are things. Think some good ones. Be well.